June is Pride Month, and we're putting the spotlight on members of the LGBTQ+ community who are having a positive impact on others.
And tonight, Frank Recchia introduces us to a man who was born and raised in Bridgeport at a time when he says the social climate was just a little bit different.
Hi, I'm Lenny Cordemange.
Lenny Cordemange is one of 6 children born to a strict Catholic family in Bridgeport in 1962.
I went through 12 years of Catholic schooling.
Being gay back then, he says, was simply not an option. It was bad enough being a redhead.
Now to be a gay redhead was seemed to be an even bigger target. I mean, people made comments.
Lenny was out by the early 1980s and says his family accepted him, but that's exactly when the AIDS epidemic struck.
And it wasn't as fashionable to, to be out and gay. Because everyone was sort of, running from the light at that point.
Things were better by the 1990s, he says, but then suddenly his world came to a stop.
I found out that I was HIV positive.
He remembers calling an 800 number and meeting up with a healthcare advocate at a local restaurant.
Gave me a bunch of paperwork and a business card and said, you've got to see this doctor. His name is Gary Blick.
Upon meeting Dr. Blick, he recalls breaking down, but says somehow Blick got him through it. He would later join the doctor's team at what is now Healthcare Advocates International, a nonprofit clinic fighting stigma and discrimination in the LBGTQ+ community and worldwide. Lenny today is the organization's Director of Prevention, Outreach, and Advocacy.
Lo and behold, it's 2022. I'm still here. And everything's okay.
So one of our mottos here at Healthcare Advocates International is saving one life at a time. And I think that's what Lenny has done for people that have come to our organization.
Blick says Lenny has played a crucial role in helping people suffering from meth addiction, which he says has been an epidemic within the gay community.
Now it's my turn to say to individuals coming to us for help that you're here now and everything's going to be okay.
Blick says Lenny has also worked tirelessly at the HIV clinic Blick established in Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe.
Anyone who came and got tested could get a free shirt.
On the African continent, where HIV has killed millions.
Whether it was saving one child at a time in Zimbabwe, whether it's saving one person from our LGBT community here in Connecticut with crystal meth, he has just really, made his fingerprint part of the LGBT community.
Now at 60, Lenny says the road ahead is still filled with the promise of progress. By helping Blick steer his nonprofit in the right direction, Lenny says he's fighting stigma, helping others, and standing proud while doing it.
I'm very happy to be a part of an organization and be able to say that I care and I know we care and we want to be there for you.
Frank Recchia, News 12, Connecticut.